What about cars? Look out the window. See if you see any cars.
No.
No? How about this window? Do you see any cars out that window?
No.
No eggs?
No.
Are you sure?
No.
No eggs out the window?
How about over here?
I found it!
Okay, a couple more. In here.
Is the kitty gonna help?
Ah!
No.
Okay, you put away? Okay. What about the kitty? You gonna give her tell the kitty Happy Easter? Go tell Zoe Happy Easter. Ah! Let's go see what Boo Boo wants. Let's go see what Boo Boo wants. Come here. Boo Boo's trying to tell you something. Boo Boo found one. Boo Boo helped. Okay. Two more in there, that's it.
Find all the eggs?
Another one.
Okay, only one left. There you go. All done. Good job. You did it. No, they're all done. That's it.